Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Liz, and if this is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do full face makeup. Here I am just prepping my eyebrows. I will drop down all the products I am using in the description box. It's always best to outline your brows and then fill them in. And then I'm going to go in with LA Girl Pro Concealer to just define it. And then make it more natural in front and blend in. I'll be using the Wet n Wild primer. This just creates a matte effect on your eyelids to help your eyeshadow stick properly. I'll be using the Glamfactoronline eyeshadow, which they sent to me. I'll be going in with the dark pink. It's always wiser to start with a darker color whenever you're doing a cut crease. So I'm not adding product towards the front of my eye. So all excess eyeshadow that's on the brush, it's what I am dragging to the front. Now here I'm going in with my cut crease. I'm going to do a semi-cut crease. And I'm using a glittery one because the cut crease eyeshadow which I'll use will be glittery or shimmery. And I'm going to use a pink color for that as well. So what you do, you always start on the line of the cut crease so that it creates like a neat look. Don't worry, we'll do blending afterwards. But it is important to blend. And then here I will just do another cut crease to create. So I did a double cut crease, a semi-cut crease, and then half a cut crease just to create like another look. And then I'm going in with a little shiny, shimmery eyeshadow in a golden color. Now I'm going in again with my dark pink and now I'm blending. It's important to blend in lightly so that there are no harsh lines and so that the makeup looks like they're connecting into one. And then towards the front, I used a light pink color to blend in both of my the two colors of my cut crease. I will be adding some of the glittery pink to my under eye with a really small brush. I'll be adding oil to remove any excess makeup that fell on my face before applying foundation. I'm actually doing this very gently because the eye area is very sensitive. And then I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. I'll be adding on my lashes. And some setting spray. It's always important to put a primer on your face. This will also further prevent breakouts because it creates a protective barrier between your skin and the makeup. So I'm just applying it normally, but I am not rubbing in, I'm dabbing it in, and don't forget your neck. I'm going in with some concealer, LA Girl concealer, just to make my eyes pop a bit. I'll be lining my lips and using a red lipstick. Some glow just to make everything pop, and I tell you, I love this glow. And here is the big reveal, the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and comment. Until next time, bye.